Hey guys, what's up? McLovin here. And guess what came in the mail today? Tuesday, September 17th, GTA 5. Got an unboxing video for you guys. Already cut it open. Boom! There it is. Been waiting almost 2 years for this game to come out. Finally it came out. I'm so excited. Ugh. It's been a while, Tear off this plastic for you. Got back from sports, so I'm a little sweaty. There we go. Inside, what do we get? We got the back information right there. The atomic blimp for pre-ordering. Titty lady on the front. Huge map of San Andreas, Los Santos, Blaine County. And then the owner's manual. Alright guys, best day of my life. See you guys later.